Okay, to download a YouTube playlist offline, all you need to do is open up YouTube. Now, the thing with playlists is that you cannot just download the playlist in its entirety. What you need to do, let me just go to my channel here real quick. So I'll click onto view channel and then I'll just go to one of my playlists and show you what I mean. Okay, so for an example, if I go into this playlist right here, iPhone tips, okay, you can see there's 44 videos in the playlist. Now, if I tap on those three dots, you can see that there's no download button for the playlist. What you have to do is tap onto the playlist, and then you have to go to each individual video, and there you'll see the download button now appears. Okay, then you click on the download button for that video. And then once that's done, you move on to the next video like that. You hit the three dots, you download it, and you have to do it individually and one by one. And also keep in mind that this is a premium feature. You will need YouTube Premium in order to do that, but you can get a 14 days free trial of YouTube Premium to test it out. And that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.